Today I'll be showing you how to triple crochet or treble crochet. In this video I am using K&C 100% cotton yarn, but of course you can use any yarn for this stitch. First, grab your hook and grab your yarn comfortably in your non-dominant hand. Make sure your tension is good. Next, find your V-stitch, meaning the front and back loop of your next stitch. For a triple crochet stitch, we yarn over twice. For a double crochet, we typically yarn over once, but for this stitch, we are yarning over twice on your hook. Yarn over, find your V-stitch, and put your hook through. We'll yarn over, pull that yarn through. Now we should have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. Now you should have 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 more. Now you have 1, 2. Yarn over and pull through those last 2 stitches. And there is the triple crochet stitch. I'll show you a few more times zoomed in so you can see. Well, there you have it, a triple crochet stitch. I hope this tutorial was helpful.